Nartiang is known for its monoliths. The community here considers these monoliths as a representation of their forefathers. Being amongst the monoliths takes you to a prehistoric era, an ancient time.
It is from 1500 AD. It might be part of the mythologies of the world or India.
They are the female monoliths.
No, this one, this erected one, the male.
Male. Okay. These structures of this monolith reminds me of shrine of the human.
Oh my God!
Small one that you see, you can't move it.
It must be like some superhuman erected these stones. Community itself is very conservative and they have been taking care of these monoliths.
These stones belong to the families of the village, and the respect they have for the ancestors is very huge.
We are fortunate enough to see such kind of places.
Clearly is extremely important for the communities that reside here to keep their sort of tradition alive, and they kind of remember their earlier generations through some of these structures.